welcome everyone on the next video, but unfortunately this week we will have no more videos. I cannot show you what's going on down there, but technically today we had to left the boat yard. It's been already 2 months of our renovation and we didn't finish it yet. So we are rushing right now, trying to finish everything else up, and next video perhaps will be next week. I hope so, if we'll have time to edit it. But if you really want to support us, get a membership on our YouTube channel and you will get access to Discord server where you can see all updates in real time, because how you can guess, there's a lot of updates which happened behind the scene because we going really behind the schedule in publishing those videos. But yeah, sorry what we would not publish the video this week. Stay tuned, videos are coming.
Watch previous videos.
Watch previous videos and share with your friends. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.